months more and then the harvest. I tell you, open your eyes and look at the fields. They are ripe for harvest. This is Adelaide. Let the harvest begin.
What? Not say 4 months more and then the harvest. I tell you, open your eyes and look at the fields. They are ripe for harvest. This is Melbourne. Let the harvest begin.
Do you not say 4 months more and then the harvest? I tell you, open your eyes and look at the fields. They are ripe for harvest.
This is Christchurch. Let the harvest begin.
Do
You
not say
4 months
More
and then
the
harvest. I
tell
you open
your
eyes
and
at
the
fields. These
right
right for
harvest. This
is
and
the
harvest begin.
Do you not say 4 months more and then the harvest? I tell you, open your eyes and look at the fields. They are ripe for the harvest. This is Hobart. Let the harvest begin!
Do you not say 4 months more than the harvest? I tell you, open your eyes and look at the fields. They are ripe for harvest. This is Melbourne.
Let the harvest begin.
Frosty, bubbly bum, bubbly bum. Frosty, bubbly bum, bubbly bum. Frosty, the ferryman was a jolly happy soul,
with a corn pot.
and a button nose and 2 eyes made out of coal. Frosty, the ferryman was a fairy tale, they say. He was made of snow, but the children know that he came to life one day.
Oh!
Oh yeah! We have come with you. We came all the way to Strong, all the way to Canberra. We came here to be a witness. Wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Do you not say 4 months more and then the harvest? I tell you, open your eyes and look at the fields. They are ripe for the harvest. This is...
Do you not say
4 months more and then the harvest?
I tell you,
open your eyes and look at the fields?
They are ripe for harvest. This is Canberra.
Let the
harvest.
begin.
Hi, we're currently at Kura Mining Centre, which is in Narrogin. It's 2.5 hours out from the city of Perth. It's a small community, about 4,000 people with I think 300 or 400 Indigenous people that are living here. Our ministry has just consisted of a lot of kids ministry and going to homes of Aboriginal people and encouraging them and praying for them. And just as we were doing that, there's been healing that's happened. Just the other day, a man who had ripped his whole wrist and lost 3 liters of blood in his hand, and he lost all the nerves in his hand, so he couldn't like hold a fist. And so we ended up praying for that man, and he was able to close his fist. And it was amazing. And the man was just so stunned that the Lord had healed him. And then her wife was stirred by that, and she asked for healing in her leg, and she had broken in 3 places when she had an accident, in a motorcycle accident, and she broke 3 places in her leg. And basically we prayed for her leg, and she could bend it again. and she started moving and jumping, and like, yeah, she was just, the joy of the Lord fell upon her place. And that was just one of the many testimonies that the Lord has been just giving us.
Hello, One Church. My name is Han, and welcome to One Church News. Here are the announcements for the next couple of weeks.
Encountering us like crazy. Yeah, so we walked up this mountain called Castle today, just to pray over the city and everything, and it was about a 2 to 3 hour walk altogether, and it was just so tiring and everything. And yeah, we had to get back home after we did our groceries, because after we climbed the mountain we went shopping and everything. Yeah, we were just so tired and we didn't know how to get back home. It was late at night, about 9 o'clock. We weren't even sure if we had enough money and everything like that, and yeah, we didn't know what to do. And yeah, we were in the car park and there was this white van there, and there was this lady and her daughter standing outside her, and it almost looked like as if she was like waiting there for us or something. And then she randomly asked us, like, she was the one who approached us, and she said, "Where are you guys going?" And we told her where we lived and everything, and it was actually really out of her way, and it was far away for her. It was really far away for her and everything. Yeah, but she was like, "Yeah, I'll take you guys home," and we were just like, "What? Like, what on earth just happened?" Like, you know, like, because we knew it was God that just set that up. We knew it was like a divine appointment, because like everything was just so perfect, like the timing, the number of seats. There were 10 seats, and there's 10 people in our life group, and we just knew it was God, because like we just so strongly felt the presence of God at the time.